Thomas here. Welcome to Tutor Master, where learning is limitless. Guys, as you know, if you want a detailed video or a notification every time when we post a video, please go to YouTube. You click subscribe and don't forget to share to your friends as well. It's very important. Don't benefit alone. Tell them you are benefiting here. Let them benefit as well. Thank you very much. Today we are going to talk to grade 12, right? We're going to talk to grade 12. The question here, it says differentiate with respect to x or find the derivative. Okay, there is a formula for that. It says, let's say you are given f of x is equals to x, and they say to you find the what? The derivative with respect to x, or differentiate with respect to x. So guys, every time when you answer this question, make sure that you put f prime, right, of f of x is equal to. This shows that you are now answering the question. Okay, all right. So the formula here, it says x, right, raised to n, and that n should come and multiply the coefficient of x, and again that n you should write -1 always. So when it comes here, it's gonna be n multiplied by 1. Okay, the coefficient of x is 1, don't forget that. So it's n multiplied by 1, x raised to n minus 1, always. That is the form. Then when you continue here, you say, okay, n multiplied by 1 is what? Is n. So we're going to get nx, okay, raised to n minus 1. Okay, always. That is the formula for this. Right, let's go straight to number A. Like I said, you must always say f prime of x. And I think that I have to highlight it to you. The derivative of a constant is 0, guys. If any number is 3, 4, 5, the derivative is 0. Okay? Do not forget that. Right. So we are here. The f prime of x is equals to, here is the derivative of a constant, gonna be 0, plus, remember, your x here is raised to 1, okay? So we are going to say, okay, that 1 should come down here and multiply by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 1, so we are going to remain with 1 times x is x raised to 1 minus 1. I hope we are clear here, because we are going to deal more with exponents, guys. The laws of exponents is coming back. The laws of exponents is coming back. Remember, you started dealing with exponents from grade 8, 9, 10, 11, now we are in grade 12. Don't drop anything. So you need to use them here. 0 is nothing. X raised to 1 minus 1 is 0. Any number raised to 0 is 1. That is the answer for number A. Right, we are in number B. Doing number B, same style. same thing, same formula. F prime of x always it will be equals to, right, there is one here, that one should come and multiply the coefficient of x, which is -3. So it's going to be -3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by x raised to 1 minus 1. Okay, this is will be equals to -3 x raised to 0. -3 multiplied by any number to the power 0 is 1. Then the answer will be -3. Very easy. Now we are going to answer number C. Okay, we are at number C now, guys. Same story. F prime of x is equal to, like we said, this should come and multiply with what? The coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 1. So it means it's going to be like this. 1 times -1/2. It's going to be -1/2x. Right? Remember here, since it's -1/2, we're going to subtract 1. Okay? If you like, you can use a calculator, but we're going to do like this. We take a what? LCM here. 2 into 2, 1. 1 times that is -1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 times that is 2. Okay? So it's going to be -3/2. Here, if you subtract 1 here, we are going to get what? -3/2. I hope it's clear. And then we are done, is the answer. That is the answer. So then we are going to do number D. Okay, we are in number D now. F prime of x equals to, same here, 3 will drop down and get 3x. But 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus 2 will drop down, you get 4x. But 2 minus 1 is 1. Then any number is to the power 1. You can leave it like that. Minus. Here you've got 1. You drop it down, you get x. But that 1 should say minus 1. So your answer will be x to the power 0. And x to the power 0 is 1. Okay? Let's go do like that. X to the power 0 is 1. Then we are done. That is your answer. Because 4 is a constant, it's going to be 0. Right, we're doing number E now. You are going to do number F as your homework, guys. As a practice, please just go and do number F. Right, let's do number E. If it's like this, please listen carefully, guys. Pay attention, right? If it's like this, you don't just rush and differentiate, because you can see it's a different between two binomials. You need to multiply the two. You get sort of a quadratic. Then it's then that you can differentiate, okay? Can find the derivative. So let's multiply x times 3x. You get, you see, I haven't put that prime to show that I haven't started doing the derivative, okay? So x times 3x, I get 3x squared, okay? X times -7, I get -7x. 1 times 3x, I get 3x. 1 times -7, I get -7. Okay, then I'm going to add what? Like terms. These are like terms. I'm going to add them. F of x equals to 3x squared. When I add -3x, -7x plus 2 plus 3x, I get -4x minus 7. Now I can find the derivative. I'm now allowed to find the derivative. Then f prime of x equals 2 will drop and multiplied by 3. I get 6x. That 2, I will say 2 minus 1. I get 1. There's no need to put it. Minus. There is 1 here. It will come here and multiply by -4. I get -4. But that one is going to minus, I will say 1 minus 1. I get 0. Then it means my x will be raised to 0. It's going to be x raised to 0, which is 1. Then 1 times 4 is 4. I leave it like that. But this is a constant. It's 0. I leave it like that, which means this is my answer. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to write this as part of your practice. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please keep tuning in. See you when you see me.